titira ako sa Pilipinas for few months and few months here. Isauli ko to sa kanya. Hala, I like that for the front. For the front porch. Guwapo. Guys.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning po, guys. Nanonood lang kami ng monk again. Nag-exercise lang ako. Exercise. Hindi pa ako tapos. Nag-ano lang ako, movement. Sige, morning.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, guys. Pagod exercise. Ang ginaw. It's cold. Buti na lang, yung mga litos natin is safe sila sa ginaw. I mean, kahit nag-snow na, nag-below freezing na, buhay pa rin sila, thank God. So, ngayon, hihintayin ko lang yung mga litos natin. And magtanim ako ng maraming litos for season, for summer. Marami tayong mga salad-salad. Kasi gusto yan ni Mister. Gusto ni Tami yung mga salad-salad. Ito yung litos na itatanim ko. Ito siya. And tanim tayo ng spin. Ha? Ngayon is Monday. Akala ko, but Monday today, right? I really want to go outside, guys, and paint yung stairs namin. Pipinta ko siya ng puti kasi na-fade na. So, kailangan kong pintalan. So, ngayon si Tami andun sa labas. Pasensya na sa mga nakikita ninyo. What are you doing? What? Are you ready? Don't spread so much that it will cover the whole yard. 2 bags. There is a thing of the size of how much you. So mag-spray lang siya, guys. Hala, you already did it. Close it. GoPro lang tayo, guys. GoPro yung gagamitin natin. Punta tayo sa harapan. Samahan natin si Tami doon. And then magtatanim din tayo ng ito, mga itsew. Okay, tanim tayo. Dito siya. Umulan, guys. Look, ang dami ng tumubo. Kailangan ko na itong linisin. Ito, hindi pa rin siya namamatay. Buhay pa rin, look. Tingnan natin asan yung asawa ko. Where are you going? Tommy? You shouldn't go line. You should go like this, back and forth. That you know where you stop. Dito okay na, malinis naman dito. Nag-start na rin siya. Tingnan niyo siya. Dami kasing dandalayan. Maulan din eh. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda nito. Ito siya. Akala ko namamatay siya pero hindi naman. Yun siya, guys. Ako naman magtatanim tayo ng mga gulay. May tumubo. Nagdahon na siya. Look. Nagtapo ng sigarilyo. You can see where you stop? Huh?
Yeah.
It's like you keep going back and forth the same place. Ang daming dandelions kasi, o tignan mo. I don't know kung nakikita ninyo, pero yan. Ganda ng kahoy. Ganda ng kahoy. Ganda nito guys. Oh. So yun, lunch tayo. Kain tayo nito. Yung in-order ni Tami kahapon sa ano, yung paborito niyang lugar. Yung kainin natin. And, oh my God, hindi. Ang hirap pag maano talaga eh. Pag maputot-putot. And, i-transfer ko lang ito siya sa lupa. Ito, kasi sobrang ganda. Tignan nyo guys. Diba ang ganda niya? Tumubo talaga siya. So, i-transfer ko yan sa lupa. And also, salamat sa inyong lahat. Yung mango, yung liso ng mango, mangga. Diba nilagay ko sa tubig? Yung nabasa ko yung comment nyo, dali-dali talaga akong nagano. Tinapon ko yung tubig. So, i-ano ko na lang yan sa lupa. I-try natin sa lupa. Kasi nakasanayan kasi yung parang tubig ba, magdala ng ugat, diba? So, yan, parang yun yung ano ko. Andun na siya sa ano, walang ano. Pero, i-ano ko yan, i-bered ko yan, ilibing ko yan sa lupa. Ito yung lunch natin, burrito. Burrito, paborito ni Mr. To. Magtanim tayo kasi, ano, gusto kong talaga yung spinach line kasi paborito ni Tami yung salad. So, gusto kong i-ano yung salad. Ang sa akin naman is yung, ang paborito ko talaga is yung string beans, talong at okra. So, pina-prioritize ko din yun. At saka, yung bok choy, yung pichay. And, yung kay Tami is salad. So, gusto kong anuhan si Tami ng salad pot. Yung lugar ng salad lang niya, yun linya. So, yun siya. So, yun yung a-achievein ko talaga. Yung salad at saka yung mga pa-Pilipino na gulay. Yun siya. So, yun lang naman yung mga talagang pananim ko. Kamates, you know. Yung prutas is parang ano na yan, parang sideline, extra. Yung ano, strawberry. At saka yung ano ko pala doon, hindi natin alam, yung grapes. I'm sure tutubo yun, di ba? I'm sure, ano yan. Kasi hindi man yun mamamatay talaga yung ugat. So, magtutubo yun. May ano na, may araw na. Kain lang tayo, guys. Yung ang init. Cheese at saka beans. Akala ko, sabi ni Tami kasi nag-order siya ng rice. Hindi ko kasi maano nakilala kung may rice kasi the same packaging lang siya at saka walang pangalan kaya. So, may mga nagsabi sa inyo na ano, tungkol dito sa ilagay ko na ano, fertilizer. Sabi ninyo, ilagay ito sa lupa i-mix. Pero, iba kasi ito. Iba yung instruction. Pwede mo siya ilagay and then kind of like, you know, cover it a little bit sa lupa. Yung lupa. Ilagay mo lang siya, spread. And then, sa lupa na tanim mo. And then, pwede mo siyang kind of spread, parang tabon-tabunan. Parang i-cover mo konti sa lupa. Yun, ng lupa na ano. Pero, hindi siya pwede pang mix. Iwan ko, pero iba yung instruction dito eh. Ha? Natanim ko na dito yung ano guys, lettuce. And then yan is spinach yan. Yan. Yan siya. And then nilabas ko lang silang lahat dyan. Para naman masaya sila. Diba? Mahanginan. Akala ko makapag ano ako sa garden, parang bungkal-bungkal dun ba. Pero lumabas kasi yung araw. So, kaya nilabas ko sila. Pero, parang sumama yung panahon na naman. 5:30 na. I know. Nagpahinga. Nag-ano lang kami ni Tami. Ako nag-edit. Siya nag-ano lang. May ginawa lang sa computer. Nanonood ng TV. Ganon. At ngayon, look, pinasok ko yung mga ano ko kasi yung hangin, and then umulan, and then mamaya is maginaw. Akala ko okay tonight, kaya nilabas ko sila lahat. Pero pinasok ko ulit. Non-stop yung hangin, and hindi na ako nagluluto guys, kasi meron naman kaming leftover. So, kaya yun. Can I display this thing? No? Where we gonna put that? We have like, look, everything is no space. How many it's in here?
Oh, there's more in the car.
Oh, you have more? Kailangan kasi, ano, ang dami man kasi, eh. Itong iba, some of this are really doesn't need to be here. Ay, mga ano ni Tami, oh, mga sake thing. Yung mga glass sa sake niya. Sa mga sister-in-law ko to, yung iba, yung bunso ba. Marami kasi siyang magagandang gamit, kaso wala siyang bahay talaga, wala siyang ano. Pero, kapag, for example, pag may time, kapag yung time na titira ako sa Pilipinas for few months here, isauli ko to sa kanya. I mean, hindi man isauli. Parang ibigay ba kasi may mga value ka to sa kanya. Binili niya ito para for sa future sa bahay niya, pero wala silang bahay. Ibigay ko to ulit sa kanya. Oh, there's more. You can put it here. Why you always carry your wallet?
Over the car.
Oh, the thing is over there. That's the same thing, right? Why you have to open it? Doon. Ni-rearrange lang niya yung sa ibabaw, guys. May mga baking pen pa pala doon sa taas. Nilagay ko. Nakalimutan ko lang. Nilagay niya lahat ng ano. Ngayon, pakainin ko lang tong mga alaga ko. 6 o'clock na. Pero yung araw, gusto ko sanang mag-dried fish. Pero I don't wanna, nakalimutan ko yung grill ko, guys, na charcoal. Nakalimutan kong ipasok sa, garage namin. So, umulan kanina. Basang-basa siya talaga, as in. Look at this, guys. My mother-in-law have this. Can you try hand? Can you show it to them? It's head thing. Okay, put it up. It's like to protect the hair.
You know, they used to wear it like that.
The old days, yeah. Protect the hair. And now it's like you can use it as face mask.
COVID face mask.
Yeah, so need to be washed. It's really... Let's go, follow me. Bunsi. Sit up properly. You two sit up. Good girls. Guys, good afternoon. Nag-vlog ako kaninang umaga pero hindi ko na natuloy kasi na busy and nakatulog din ako, nakabalik ako ng tulog. So, ngayon, punta lang kami sa Home Depot. Bibili lang kami ni Tamimoy ng ng lupa at saka yung sa labas pang sa yard. Yung nilagay ni Tami, kulang kasi. Maglagay tayo ng sa mask. Yung binigay ng kapatid ni Tami. Lagyan siya dito, guys. O, nilabhan ko to siya. Okay, oh, look at that leader. Where are you gonna ride a bike? Yeah. Okay, guys. We're leaving. Yung asawa ko is parang it's hot, you know. You do it and you're gonna be like...
It's not hot.
Okay, let's go. Hala! You know I cannot go without my cell phone. You know that. May police doon, guys. May aksidente doon.
Yeah, don't hold the way you're driving.
Kaya na traffic.
Somebody will you're gonna come who decide to give you a ticket for that.
Kaya na traffic. May pala dito. I think it's an accident in the middle over there. Oh my god, it's blocking. I think there's a really bad accident over there because there is a ambulance, police.
Okay, well, get to the light. You'll get through. He's turning, so you'll cut right now while he's turning.
That, guys?
Get over before you can't.
Ha?
Get over before you can't.
Ang taas ng linya, guys. Grabe. Ang daming grill dito, eh. Tagta 300 lang, oh. Bili na po. Bili. Sobrang busy ngayon. As in, ang daming tao. Tignan niyo si Tami. Bagay sa kanya yung itim. No, that's fine. Is this the one you get before?
This one I think is better.
Huh?
This one I think is better.
But this is what you get, right?
Yeah, this one I got last time. This one's better.
This is 60 bucks. Huh? What is that?
It's two types of weeds. That one's supposed to kill more weeds.
Are you sure that one is kills more?
That's what it says.
Like what kind of more? Huh?
How much is this one?
Oh yeah, it kills this kind of grass to look, oh, these weeds. This one.
Kills more kinds of weeds.
Oh, we have a lot of this kind, oh, this one,
Right.
and this one. This one, and
Oh,
this.
it's really,
Huh?
I don't see the price.
It's just 65, it's expensive.
That one's 58. So it's
That's $7. $7
More than that.
more. This one is 58.
Almost $59.
So, yan, bumili kami dalawa, guys. Hala, I like that for the front. For the front porch. How much is that?
I thought it was set.
It's a nice for garden.
Yeah.
Salad. Oh, what is this?
Rubber mulch?
Are you serious? I don't need a rubber mold. Is that for flowers and vegetables, right? Okay, let's go. Yo, we have to do this like this. And this one is cheaper.
What?
Is this cheaper here?
Yeah, 58 cents each. Oh, they're the same. Oh, these, the red and these are 58 cents each, but this is high enough.
Wala man sila, guys, yung malaki. Wala. What is this for? This right here.
These are good to put around the plants too, instead of
Instead of what?
mulch. marble chips.
This is only if you have a small
Yeah, but they're nice.
Yeah, but we do have a big one. And this is, look at the fucking price. This one is $2.48.
Probably go like this, but you see how it goes.
Yeah.
Nice little one.
Yeah.
This game.
So one each?
Right.
One only inside?
Yeah,
It's $3 for one?
one stick. It looked like two sticks. See, look like one stick, two sticks.
Yeah.
No, it's only one. This goes inside that one.
So $3, only one.
Yeah. Oh, but it gives you six stickies in.
Ang ganda ng mga chandelier, guys. Gusto ko yan, oh. Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko talaga yung sa ibabaw, yung circle. Ito siya. And anyway, so tapos na kami sa Home Depot. And ngayon, dito na kami sa ShopRite. Look, tignan nyo. ShopRite tayo dito. And bibilhin lang naman niya dito, guys, is pork belly and cranberry juice and butter. Ay, ang bahay na. Ang bahay ko ba sobrang kalat. Basta andito si Tami. Ganito na talaga yun, guys. Hindi na yun magbabago, guys. Ang daming kalat kapag may asawa kang kalatero. Rayhan, you're a kalatero. Alam niyo, masaya yung asawa ko kasi binigburan niya yung yard niya kahapon. And then, ang resulta, yung mga dandalayo, nakahiga na siya, para siyang naluluya, para siyang nasasad na, may nilagay. Ang lagay ni Galay, nagluya. Buang man niya akong utok. Ay, yan, pataka na lang yung jawit ba, jawit. Anyway, so, I will marinate your chicken, Han.
I will marinate my chicken, thank you.
Tignan niyo kung paano siya ka guwapo. Guys. Guys, even that's what happened when your hair is long.
Yeah.
We're black all the time. And shave your face all the time. Naglalaro yung dalawa. La 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 la. So here you go, he's cooking. I told him just don't cook because it's windy. Ang dami kong sidling pero wala akong lugar na nalagyan. Kaya bili ako ng alupa kasi gusto ko
Lupa. Columbia lupa?
Lupa.
Lupa?
You know what is lupa?
Know what Oompa Loompa is?
No, lupa.
Oompa Loompa.
Han, upa? Upa is bad, Han. Upa. Upa is Gerger, Han.
Look up Oompa Loompa.
Han, can you see Gerger, Upa?
No, I'm not saying that.
I'm not seeing that.
Pouring out of the oven. Oh, there should be coil on the top too, because there's some bake. Broil is on the top and bacon on the bottom.
Kahit nagluluto ang pagyan, parang relaxing sa amin yung grill. At masarap din mag-grill. Ay, no, masama siya palagi.
But one's very narrow. Look up for him. He's such a big babe.
You will be alone. Han! Why you making fun of me now?
Why not?
Your chicken is burning. Hala, Han. Hala. Yung anyo niya nasusunog na. Kaluka. Huy, I don't have a clip.
No chicken.
You don't, no. You don't eat your dinner. No. Bad girl na. Bad girl. No. Dada's eating chicken. So, kumusta yung chicken mo dito, Dong? How's your chicken, Dong? Looks good, Dong.
Fine.
Looks good, Dong.
I'm a dunk.
You're donkadongkong.
I think it don't look.
You're trying to get the small one. You
I'll drop them in. So I can give to the rocks in the pox. Because you know how she is. Shaking on the grill. Shaking on the grill.
Okay, that's it. This one is not yet, huh? This
one.
Hmm?
Their sensitive skin loves. Cheeser, pepperoni cheeser, you know you got it. Little Caesar's new pepperoni cheese.
Tulog yung mga tao. Tulog silang lahat. Oh my God, nagkakaroon matulog na rin ako, guys. Kasi Tami tulog na tulog. So, transfer ko na yun dito sa bed kasi mag-ano na lang ako, mag-wash ng mukha. And yun. Ito kasi konti na lang yung natira. So, tapusin ko na lang to. Ito yung Cetaphil Delicious Cleanser. Remove excess oil without drying. Maganda talaga to siya. Hi guys, sinabihan po ako ni asawa na dapat daw ako mag-take ng ng medisina para hindi tayo magkasakit. Ito lang yung iti-take ko. Ayaw ko munang mag-take ng mga supplement. Ayaw ko muna. Ito lang muna yung iti-take ko, yung oil of oregano. Ito lang yung iti-take ko muna. Did you take yours?
Not yet.
Not yet? I have it here.
So good?
Yeah. I put so much now. Ha! It's traveling the whole time. Instead of under it, it will travel out. Every time I have a creamy thingy, it like suddenly it like slowly gone. That's why every time I feel get sick, that's what my priority. That way. What?
I should use this one.
Oregano oil. Bye bye, babe boy.
Hi guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
You so